Is dating BPD a risk? Firstly, I'm a 32-year-old who learned the hard way. People with BPD might want to think twice before dating. My 4-year relationship with a BPD woman was a waste of time and energy. BPD can be a license for manipulation. My ex was a pro at using her vulnerability. Initially, she seemed nice, but her insecurities soon made every talk a struggle. One wrong word, and she'd act like a child, shutting down. She used my empathy to harm me. Suicide threats were her method of control. When I couldn't make her feel better quickly, she dated married men. BPD relationships are often like emotional black holes. They keep taking until you have nothing left. If you're empathetic, run from these relationships. It's not worth the potential damage to your mental health.